Howdy, howdy everybody, Chris here, and we're back in the garage. Today we're gonna walk you through the step-by-step process of stripping a hood down to bare metal. I get a lot of questions about, do I have to remove my paint completely, or can I just sand it and paint over it? Today I'm gonna show you two examples. One, you're gonna have to strip it down to bare metal, and the other one, you may be able to get away with just sanding it, and applying some primer, and doing a different process without stripping it down to bare metal. So let's take a look at the roof on this Honda Civic. The sun has damaged it over the years. It's started to fade and delaminate. As a result, the clear coat starts to peel. So this is completely from sun damage, and the clear coat is starting to fail. This is an example of where you may not need to strip it down to bare metal. The best option is always to strip this down to bare metal to get a good foundation for your new paint. It's not completely necessary in this situation. In this situation, what you could do is you could sand out this peeling clear coat, smooth it all out, and then apply 2 good coats of 2K urethane primer. Now on the other hand, we're gonna look at the hood on this vehicle, and this is a different situation. If you look at this hood, it looks in good shape. It's not sun damaged. I mean, it's a little bit faded, but there's not a lot of obvious damage on this hood. But if you look a little bit closer, look in the light, you can see these little cracks in the paint. That is what we call micro checking. And it's throughout this entire hood. So in this situation, it's always best to strip this down to bare metal. Could you get away with not stripping this down to bare metal, sanding this with like 180 or 320, applying 2K primer over it, and then prepping that primer for paint? Yes, you could get away with it, and it may last you a couple years, it may last you a year, it may last 6 months. But the chances of these cracks showing through into your paint job are much more likely than a situation with the peeling clear coat on that roof. So what we're gonna do today is strip this down to bare metal. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process. So this is the product we're gonna use here today. This is Clean Strip Aircraft Ultra Paint Remover. There's a process you go through to use this. This does a very good job of stripping the paint down to bare metal. You have to follow proper procedures. So the first thing we need to do is we need to rough up this surface with 80 grit sandpaper. So we're gonna quickly run over this with an orbital sander, some 80 grit sandpaper. That's gonna create some deep scratches so this can penetrate that paint and lift it from the metal. 80 grit orbital sander. This is all we gotta do, rough it up. Now you could totally strip this entire hood with 80 grit, but it's gonna take a long time. I just wanted to give you another way of stripping these panels that might be a little bit easier. We've got this all sanded down with 80 grit. We're gonna shake this up thoroughly, make sure it's all shaken up really good. I'm gonna spread it on with this body filler spreader. You wanna leave it on thick. You don't wanna have a thin coat, you want it to be thick. We got a quart to do this hood. You do wanna wear a respirator when you use this because it's got some toxic vapors associated with it, so make sure you're wearing a respirator. So I'm gonna put my respirator on. We're gonna put a thick coat over this entire hood. Then what we're gonna do is lay a piece of plastic over it to trap those chemicals and let them do their work at eating this paint up. Now I did run a piece of tape on the edge of this hood because I don't want any of this to get underneath the hood and damage the back side of it. Now what we're gonna do is lock it in by applying this plastic over top of it. Now we're gonna let this sit for about half an hour, do its work, lift that paint up, and then I'll show you what we do next. Okay, you can see some of this is peeling off, right? I can see that some of it is not, but there's a lot of peeling going on here. So I'm gonna peel this back. I'm gonna add a little bit to some of the areas that aren't quite getting peeled if I need to. Pull this back over. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. We'll come back in about 20 minutes and then we'll peel this off and get to stripping. Okay, let's pull off this plastic, see what we got. I'd say like 80% of it's stripped. We'll hit the rest of this with 80 grit sandpaper and machine sand it off. We're gonna run over this hood with this 180 grit sandpaper, refine those scratches, get it prepared for primer. This hood is now ready for primer, but before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at the roof and see what we need to do to prepare it. Now, as you can see here, we've got some bad delamination on the roof of this Toyota. The one thing about this though is the paint is not cracked. We've just got delaminating clear, peeling clear. So what we can do is we can machine sand this smooth, get a good base to apply our 2K primer, and we'll be good to go. Now, you always could strip this, and it would always be in your best interest to strip it down to bare metal. But in this situation, it's not absolutely necessary. I'm using my orbital sander with 320 grit sandpaper. All we want to do is get rid of that delaminating clear and smooth this out. So I'm basically holding this GA flat, right? But when I get to this edge, you may want to tilt the back up just a little bit, not the front, the back. So use this front edge to work this clear coat back until it's smooth. That's called feather edging. And we want to work it back so we know it's not going to be peeling anymore. And we may end up taking most of this clear off. All this is delaminated. All this is going to need to come off, you know. Out here, it might not. This is smooth. Actually, this is smooth enough right here. Okay? Right there is a good transition. I can feel this edge. You don't want to be able to feel that edge. Like right here, I can't feel the edge. Right here, I can still feel that edge. The other thing you could do, just to, see if there's any loose clear, is just take an air blower to this clear coat. The excess clear coat will blow off until it grips. Sometimes it works better than others, and you can remove it that way. But all this center section is going to need to be sanded off. In this instance, it's quicker than stripping, but we are still going to need to put primer over this. All right, Darius has got this roof all sanded out, and this is what you can see here. Feather edge, the peeling area is out, and this is ready for primer. And then we got the hood over here, which is a little bit different situation where we stripped it down to bare metal. Now the primer that we're using, the U-POL 2253, is a 2K primer that is a direct to metal primer. We washed it with isopropyl alcohol. It's nice and clean and ready to accept the 2K DTM primer. We're gonna use the R500. It's got a 1.7 tip in it. This is a great primer gun. It's like 53 bucks and you can't go wrong with it. Sprays fantastic. You can spray it at low pressure, so it's not gonna create a lot of overspray. And that's what we're gonna do with this. 15 PSI. Overlapping about 75, 80%. I'm about 4 or 5 inches away. Yeah, I'm spraying a little bit slower, but that's okay. We're not creating hardly any overspray. If I wanted to go a little bit quicker, I could just be a little bit closer, just move in a little bit, and now I can speed up a little bit if I want. I've got to do tighter passes, but all right, we'll put another coat on that, but we'll let it flash off. We've already put a coat on the fender. We let that flash off. Let's get a coat on the roof. Okay, so it's now flashed off. You see how smooth it is. We're just gonna go ahead and put one more coat on this. A little bit heavier coat, I think. We want enough material on here to be able to sand this out. There we go. The next step in this process is we're going to let this primer sit overnight. And then the next step would be to sand this out, machine sand it smooth. We'll remask everything, and then we'll be putting our base coat and our clear coat finish on it. We're gonna have to blend into the quarter panels, and we'll do all that on the next episode. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. I hope this gives you a good idea of when you need to strip a panel and when you can kind of get away with just sanding it and putting primer over it. And I know some of you are gonna look at that roof and say, I would have stripped that, and that's perfectly fine. It just depends on the situation and the project you're working on. If you found this information helpful, give us a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Check out GarageNoiseGear.com for digital guides on any of the topics we cover on this channel. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of Garage Noise.